Hello and welcome to another video of I'm chasing sawdust. So just a real quick recap for today. We're making more signs. These are more of the Christian signs that got to make like 10 of them for a lady, and I'm running way behind on that. Down here on the floor I got some blanks that are going to be used for her signs and some others. We have over here, this is a sign that got messed up. I went ahead and painted the bear. I'm going to sand this off. I'm going to cut out the bear. That way I have a little something for my shelf over here. Yesterday I was going to go out and do the sawmill. I got tied up doing other things. So that's why you'll notice a change of clothes halfway through the video where it says that I'm going to go outside and cut some wood. I never made it out there. So I'm going to today. It is raining a little bit, but I do have to get this walnut log off of the sawmill because I was contacted about making some cedar siding for a cabin, and they need it as soon as possible. So I'm going to get this walnut finished off, hopefully yet today. If not completely today, just small enough I can finish it in the morning. Yeah, there's a lot to this when you're just learning. But let's step out here and get busy on this sawmill. And I have a crazy Great Dane running at me right now. Oh, okay, she stopped. So hopefully Zara don't jump. So I'm gonna get this set up over here and we'll get straight into cutting this sucker. There's the log. Hopefully the rain don't mess up my camera too bad. I got to remove the cover here. Get my guides all open back up. This has not been ran. I'm about to get some wet shoes. I don't know if it's in a safety thing or not to wear boots sawmilling. But what I can tell you is there's a heck of a hole at the end of this sawmill back here behind the head. But aside from that, everything is good. Now on this log, I'm going to open the guide up completely because of the other issues we've had cutting this log already. I already know that we are barely clearing the log down there. And another first is I'm going to try to remove a single 1/2-inch slab off of this big walnut. And the reason for that being is I have some projects that need to be done aside from the sign cutting. I got some people that wanted some big walnut crosses made, and I told them yes, I'll give it a try. So let's get right in this. I don't know if you should let this warm up or not, but here we go. I'm going to stop for just a second, put a little more tension on that blade. Back it up and let's go again. So it was not open as far as I thought it was going to be. Okay, there we go. So that might be all we get done tonight. Let me shut this off. So it has no bearing on this slab because I'm going to cut it up anyway. But look at that blade. It is crazy warped. There were sparks shooting out of here, and I do have the water on. So I'm going to open it up here. Just to see what we got going on in here. So the blade has went like completely off the back of the wheel. And it is stuck. Oh crap. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to leave this till tomorrow. And I will film this as I take this apart tomorrow and try to figure out what happened. But in the meantime, we have a slab. And I'll show you. This is the difference between wet walnut and the walnut that hasn't been getting soaked. But have a good one. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow.